Hi, my name is Nora. I'm a senior and I am a coffee lover.
I'm Allison. I'm a senior and I only have iced caramel macchiatos, so I'm not really a big coffee fan, but I can drink it.
I'm Susanna, and I'm not a big fan of coffee. I like the smell, but I really don't like actual coffee.
I'm Jackie, and I love coffee, and I...
No, you do.
Yeah, I do.
You like tea?
No, I drink tea every day, but I drink coffee on the weekends.
So here's my thing with Dunkin' and Starbucks. Hot drinks, Starbucks. I can't drink Dunkin' hot drinks. Cold drinks, Dunkin'.
Dunkin' or Starbucks?
Dunkin'.
Dunkin', yeah.
Starbucks hot chocolates beat.
Can I nothing to do with this?
I believe I could tell them apart.
I don't think I'm gonna be that good, but I feel like, I don't know, we'll see.
No.
I'm very confident in my ability to do this, except I'm gonna give an out. I'm sick, so like my taste isn't the
my
best.
God.
If I get this wrong and Allison gets it right, I'm gonna be really embarrassed.
Yeah. You can open your own, right?
Yeah, you can open your eyes.
So actually, I don't like it very much.
It's
It's
kind
not
of
my
watery.
favorite. So that's what makes me think it could be Dunkin', except it's not as sweet as Dunkin' usually is, but I don't know the sugar levels they went for.
It's like definitely,
It's a lot more bitter.
it is more bitter. I can definitely taste the coffee, but like,
It smells like Starbucks, too.
wait, let me smell.
Yeah, it smells
Yeah,
like
no, that
Starbucks.
smells like the you know when you walk into Starbucks and you just have that smell, it
Mhm.
smells like that.
I'm thinking this is Dunkin' Donuts because it lacks flavor. Oh my God, I can't say that around
Okay.
New England.
They almost taste the same.
Shoot.
Oh, wait. Wait, I can't tell if, like,
This
I'm
one has-
tasting
I could
the one before.
This one's colder, so that means there's more ice in it.
Totally Starbucks. It smells like my iced caramel macchiato.
This one's darker.
Yeah, I think this
But did
A
you,
is
wait, did
Dunkin'.
you order?
It's a little sweeter, I think. So that makes me think it's Dunkin'.
Oh my God, you're totally right because Dunkin' Donuts has like the flavors they put in are like mixed into the drink, while Starbucks is like they have to add it.
Okay, Dunkin' puts in more milk, I think. So I think that this could be Dunkin'.
I think A is Dunkin' and B is Starbucks.
I like this one better.
No, but I think actually this one's Dunkin' Donuts. This one's kind of really bad.
Yeah.
But I like the first one more, so it's probably Dunkin'.
Yeah, me too.
I like this one better.
Just walk.
This one, no, wait, this might be Starbucks. Oh shoot, I'm the only one. I'm gonna be so embarrassed.
Okay,
But we're all like,
We're
oh, I
gonna be
really think we
super
can
fast.
do it.
Okay.
I'm just a horrible.
Wait, guys. A was Dunkin'.
lock?
And B.
Wait,
I'm very confident in my ability to do this.
Nora's gonna be way better at this.
If I get this wrong and Allison gets it right, I'm gonna be really embarrassed.
I'm
sick. How many times have I said this? I'm sick.
Nora's sick, everyone. She's sick. No.
You were the only one who was sure you could do it.
I think I did a good job.
I'm really proud of myself. I didn't think I could do it, but I did, so.
I'm really proud of myself. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I knew. Dunkin' Donuts is watery, so.
I'm very disappointed in my performance today.